Subaru 2018. We have the fault code about EGR B flow. This is the fault code, and what can cause this? Under the car we have this filter, name it like that. Can you show light? That's looking inside. There's small like net. It's like filter with small holes. Try to film for you like this. You need to clean it, and after clean it need to work correctly. This stay on the car, located here. This is the location where it stay. Yeah, this is the first one what need to check. And also the thing what we need to check is upside EGR valve, if it's working. And yeah, this maybe can help somebody. And you need to check if the light go to other side. Now we try, and there we have only a little bit, some light points. We clean it and then film how it looks after cleaning.